I just arrived at Chileno Bay. I'm in room 3712 and I wanted to give a quick room tour of this stunning suite that I have. So here is the entrance, huge living area. I love the decor. And then we come over here, we have a mini bar. I just got a video of my concierge making a fantastic drink for me. So, great liquor here in the room. We have espresso if we need it. We come around here. Let's see if I can open this door. So again, I'm in the living room area of my suite and very close to the spa. So 3712 is look at this huge balcony. Beautiful. And there's separate buildings here. We have multiple villas here. So lots to choose from, different buildings. This is a great lawn area. My guess is maybe this could be used for a private event space. Down here we have a plunge pool. We don't have that, but some of these room categories obviously have their own plunge pools. So really pretty area here. And I'm gonna come back in and give a quick tour of my room. So we'll come back in here through the living room area. Come in through here, nice huge closet. And a beautiful bedroom area. With another, obviously, area to walk out onto the balcony. I love the master bed and the decor over the bed. Really pretty. It almost feels like a residence here, not a hotel. And come through here, look at this bathroom with the tile work. Nice large vanity and stunning soaking tub. And of course, the outdoor shower. So, really, really beautiful room. And I'm very excited. I'm gonna go explore the property and check out all that Chileno Bay has to offer.